Yeah, well, Golston, thanks to a $2 million state grant, the district attorney's office has created the Organized Retail Crime Prosecution Unit in the past 2 months. And what that is they'll dedicate one prosecutor and one investigator solely to fighting retail crime. And some small businesses we spoke with today say they will take whatever help they can get. At the Umrah Market in South Sacramento, the owners bring a taste of their Afghan culture to the capital city.
We're not gonna give up. We just keep doing what we are doing.
Despite recent thefts and break-ins at all 3 of their stores.
As a small business, it hurts.
Do you have a top 10 list? A top 10 list of the thieves that are coming in again and again and hitting your store?
Sacramento County District Attorney Tin Ho had small businesses like Umrah Market in mind when looking for ways to put thieves behind bars.
It's other businesses that are small in our community that form the backbone. And so when we're talking about retail theft, let's not forget about that.
Ho, along with other law enforcement leaders and businesses, announced the new Organized Retail Theft Prosecution Unit in front of the Florin Road Walmart.
It's definitely gotten pretty bad over the last few years, and Sacramento being up there on the top 10 list of cities affected by organized retail theft.
Adrienne McMillan is the prosecutor who will follow through on the cases from arrest to sentencing. She's the newest member of the state organized retail theft task force.
You have other DAs there, law enforcement there, retailers there, their investigators there. They do case presentations, they talk about trends.
Azizi hopes there will be more arrests and time behind bars and will keep the thieves away from his businesses.
So it'd be a good thing that to just track these people down and, that way at least minimize the risk or minimize the theft or burglary. Yeah, that'd be a great thing.
Yeah, Azizi says that thieves hit 2 of his stores twice just last week. Now, in the 2 months since the Organized Retail Prosecution Unit has been active, Ho says that prosecutors have filed 35 cases, including one case where they say a suspect wiped out a furniture store worth of $100,000 worth of merchandise. And also, Sacramento police have set up a tip line just for organized retail theft. Reporting live in South Sacramento, Michelle Bandur, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, it seems like we have a story on it just about every day. Michelle, thanks.